friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Nani from Lilo and Stitch. So first we're going to start it with her eyes, and we're going to leave a gap from the center. We're going to come up on the left hand side, curving this out and through towards the top. And we're just going to replicate that on the right, curving that out and then through on the side. Now from the inside corner, we're going to arch this line all the way around and down on the side. We'll do the same thing on the left. Now let's draw in a circle in the center for the pupil. So we're going to start on the top here. We're going to draw in a circle, bringing that around, through. Let's draw in the pupil right in the center now. So again, we're going to draw in another circle in the middle. And then we're going to draw in a small circle in the top left corner for the highlight in her pupil. And then the rest of that circle on the outside, just coloring it in black to close that off. Now let's come down and draw Nani's nose. So for the nostrils on both sides, we're going to curve this line across, leaving a gap on the left and right hand side. Coming beside that, we're going to curve that around and in towards the top. Let's draw in her eyebrows now. So coming up above, we're going to curve this line out, back down, and in the corner. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left. Bringing that down. In the middle now for her mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then we're going to come underneath, replicating that in the center, curving that through. Let's drop down underneath now. We're going to curve that around, up and over for the lip. For her top lip now, from that corner, we're going to bring this line up, down, up, back down and through towards that corner on the right. And now let's draw in her hair up above. So right in the middle here, we're going to curve this line down, curving that through towards the top. From the center again, bringing this line down, back around and through. Let's close off the top of the hair now. So from that corner, we're going to bring this line out, down and over towards the left. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, just curving that across. Let's draw in her head. So we're going to start in the middle here for the side of the cheek, curving this down, out and in. And then we're going to do the same on the right. Let's close off her chin. So on the left hand side, we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal in towards the center. We're going to do the same thing on the right, blending that in on the bottom. Let's draw in her ear. So we're going to bring this line up, around and in. Let's draw in the details on the ear now. So up on the top, we're going to curve that line over. And then underneath, curving that around and back in, creating a small half circle. Let's draw on the rest of the body and we'll frame in the hair behind. So we're going to come down for the neck on the left hand side, curving this over. We're going to do the same on the right. We're going to connect this together now with a nice big arch line. On the left hand side, we're going to bring this line up and over for the collarbone. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the shoulders. So starting back on this line, we're going to bring this line out. We're going to do the same on the right hand side. Now let's come up and close off the rest of the hair. So right in the center, we're going to curve this line out and down on the side. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. So we're going to bring this line over and then back down. Now on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line out, down and in towards that shoulder. And then again on the right hand side, let's replicate that, bringing that down, over and through towards the bottom. Now let's come in towards the middle on the left hand side, and we're going to curve this down, out and through on the side. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Right in the center here, we're going to draw a small curved line from left to right. Let's close off the torso. So we're going to bring this line down and over towards the bottom of our page. Let's draw in our heart in the middle. So right in the center here, we're going to curve this line around and in. And then from the middle again, curving this around and then down to close off our heart. Now we're just going to finish off the arm. So we're going to start on the top here and we're going to curve this line down and in on the side. We're going to curve this line in to close off the sleeve of the shirt. Let's draw on the underneath of the arm. We're going to arch this line over. And then from here, we're going to bring this line out, angling that in and down on a diagonal. And then now let's move up on the top from the top here, curving that down again, lining that up at the same height. And then again, we're just going to bring this line out, down and through on a diagonal towards the bottom of the page. And that is it. That's how you draw Nani from Lilo and Stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.